will join together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day my 4 little kids will not be condemned by the color of the skin, but judged by the content of the character. I have a dream. So I say to them tonight, we don't have a liberal America and a conservative America. We have a United States of America. And I say to them tonight, we don't have an Asian America, a Latino America, and a Chinese America. We have a United States of America. And I ask them tonight, can we unite? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. I do not care if it's a political speech, if it's a presentation, if it's a lecture. You all use the same 5 tools to make people listen. My name is Asbjørn, and I help people overcome the fear of public speaking, and I help people make great presentations. Welcome. Welcome to a very grateful academic field. Very grateful because it's so easy to learn how to speak. It's so easy to learn these tools and use them. You just have to know them. In other words, you can very fast become a great public speaker. You can very fast become a great, and you can all become very great speakers very fast. If you use my tool, and that's only $5,000. That's called the speaking house. Yes, that's the only thing I have invented. Everything is from Cicero, Aristotle. It's 277 years old, some of the tools. Welcome to the speaking house. But first of all, I want to get to know you. I want to get to know your screen. And I want to do a body-mind connection because this is indeed a workshop. And yes, I will be teaching the tools, and then you will be in groups of 5 doing them up here. But no worries. I will carry you. I will hold you. I'll support you. We will all support each other because here is the stage. And that is the learning zone. I want to open those windows if I could. And I want to throw out perfectionism. That's one of the fears why people fear public speaking, because they want to do it perfect right away. One thing, a perfect speech is boring. Why? Because life is not perfect. People don't want to see perfect speeches. They want to see human speeches, fun speeches, entertaining, energizing speeches. They don't want to see those perfect speeches. Because what happens with your body when you want to do a perfect speech? You armor up. You put on your speaking armor. And how do you look like? If you want to protect yourself, if you want to stay inside that comfort zone. My name is Asbjørn, and I'm here to teach you about public. This is armor up. Armor up. Open up your body. Show the audience that you own the stage. That you feel good, you feel safe. When you feel safe and you are relaxed, the audience is going to be relaxed. It's all right to be nervous. The fear is always there. It's not going to go away. But just don't show it. Just don't show. I'm so nervous right now.
You're right.
And I'm not showing it all. Do I seem nervous? I'm shaking a little down here. The fear is always going to be there. It's how you handle the fear. This stage is sacred. Before people come up here, we will applause. Before people, when they have done their thing, we will applause. And before we come up here, I want you outside your comfort zone. So, body-mind connection exercises, have you heard about them? How many in here have seen the Amy Cuddy TikTok, the power pose? Yes, I love it. And she has had a lot of criticism, and then she did another PhD and did another TikTok, and she's proving it once again. Everybody stand up. Now, before you go on stage, do your body-mind connection. Already here, your cortisol lowers. Just doing this, you're telling your mind, you got to put up with that cup away because I want everybody to be a part of this. Yes, everybody raise your hand up. Just by doing this, you spit before you spit after, it shows that the cortisol is running down now. My cortisol is running down, decreasing, because I'm showing my mind with my body that there's no fear. I'm not hunted by the lion. Yeah, you have to stand like this for 2 minutes. Isn't that wonderful? Yes, I can see you enjoy it. We have to go 200,000 years back, my ladies and gents, because in the old days, the Stone Age brain, the reptile brain, when a lot of people were looking at you, that meant they were going to have you for dinner. And that's why you fear public speaking. It's not normal for you to have all these eyes watching you. Oh my God, maybe I'm going to lose my voice. Maybe I don't know what to say. Maybe I cannot remember my text. Maybe they don't understand my message. All kind of doubt is coming up. That's your reptile brain. We don't want to listen to that. So you go against your reptile brain. Are you ready to scream? When you scream, I want you to think about victory, and I want you to visualize when you're going to do these exercises that it's going to go fine. And if it doesn't, who cares? It doesn't matter. We don't want a perfect speech. We want a good speech. We want an entertaining speech. Are you ready to scream? From the big toe up to the nose and back again. And I want you to be out of your comfort zone. I want you to feel weird. In the crowd, this is weird. This is crazy. Yes, I want you to be crazy. Because the more you are outside your comfort zone, the easier it becomes. The more you feel that fear, can you feel your shoulders? Yes, you can. That's good. Okay, let's scream. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Sit down. Can you feel that laughter? Can you feel the tension going away? That's good. You're going to do that a lot. Are you ready for doing that? Yes. Yes. How many in here have been to a teaching, a lecture, a sermon, a wedding speech, and within the first 20 seconds thinking, oh my God, this is going to be a long 45 minutes. Oh my God, this is going to be boring. I'm going to check my Facebook. I'm going to have to, how really boring. What happens? What do the people do when it's that boring? We're going to talk about that. How many in here have tried the opposite? Going to a normally very boring I hated biochemistry. Biochemistry class, and then seeing a new teacher's coming in, and within the 20 seconds it's going, it's suddenly exciting. Yes, how many have tried that? Yes. What do they do? Welcome to the speaking house. What do you do before you do a speech? Your boss comes to you. Hi, Henning. Jesper. Jakob. It's okay. Hi, Jakob. I would like to do in 2 weeks a presentation about the. Because you did a very good job in the. Are you ready for that one? 2 weeks.
Sure.
Yeah. He said, good. So, what do Jakob? What does he do? What does he have to have? He has 2 weeks now. How do we start? Huh?
Prepare.
Prepare. Very good. What more?
Research.
What? Research. Good. And what more? Practice. Yes, but before that, you're right. You Memo, we call it within speaking. This is a bad pen. Why do I always get the bad pens? Memorization. You want to build your house, your speaking house, on solid ground. You don't want to build your house on sand. It's going to fall. You build your speaking house on solid ground by memorizing your speech. We cannot do that tonight. But I'll just tell you shortly, Cicero is 2,077 years old and is still used by stand-ups, by presentation, by speakers like me, and it's still used, a low-key, L-O-C-I method. Okay, it's very simple and it works so well and so good. You can memorize keynote speeches, 45-minute speeches. I just been out, not just, but been out doing a 45-minute, and I did this low-C method. It's called low-C. Placement.